Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to buy Bonsai terminal token. Now before we start, make sure, so this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now let's get started. So this is their X account. Now after that, this is their website. Now it's available in Radium. Now first of all, click on connect wallet. Now from here, select Phantom or any wallet that you want to use. Now it will connect it automatically. Now go to your wallet. In this case, I will select Phantom. Now go to swap, and now make sure you have enough Solana on your Phantom wallet. Now from here, search for the token called Bonsai. Now make sure it is it. This is because there is another one. Now click on it. Now from here, enter how much you want to buy. As you can see here, you will see how much you will receive. Now just wait some seconds. So I will just enter this amount. As you can see, this is high. I will just type this, and now as you can see, this is how much I will receive. This is the providers, select one of them, and this is the price information, and now you can click on swap and you will be able to buy the Bonsai terminal token on your Phantom. Thanks for watching.